The slogan "Machines tailored to the client's needs" best characterizes products under the Rolmako logo. In practice, this means a great number of configuration options in cultivation tools, which enables farmers to make the most of the machines in various soil cultivation systems, soil types, cultivated plants, and climatic conditions, as well as the farmer's requirements for the field effect. A key factor in such a manufacturer's approach is the farmer and his contribution to the development of the machines. Machines tailored to the client are a standard approach to agricultural machinery production by Rolmako. Modern technologies and an individualized approach to the farmer's needs enable the creation of cultivation tools that are adjusted to the specific requirements, soil cultivation systems, and soil specifications. As a result, farmers can achieve significantly better results in their work. This video highlights how personalized machines impact work efficiency in agriculture. Variety of cultivation systems. Thanks to the possibility of configuring tools, a farmer can choose those that best fit his cultivation system, from conventional farming to conservation and even organic farming. Adaptation to soil type. Not all soils are the same. The ability to configure a machine allows it to be tailored to specific soil, whether it's heavy clay or light sand, e.g. by selecting a model with the appropriate weight. Optimization for cultivate plants. Different machines are needed for cereal cultivation, root crops, or vegetables. Personalized tools allow for optimal soil preparation for specific plants, thanks to the possibility of selecting the appropriate working element. Adaptation to climatic conditions. Depending on the region and prevailing weather conditions, a farmer may need tools with different parameters. Thanks to the ability to configure, he can adjust the machine to his microclimate, achieving the desired field effect. Every farmer has a vision of what his field should look like after cultivation. Thanks to personalized tools, he can achieve exactly the effect he planned, e.g. by selecting the appropriate finishing roller. Economy. Machines tailored to the farmer's specific needs allow for more efficient use of fuel, reducing the carbon footprint and saving time. Machine lifespan. Machines tailored to specific needs and working conditions are less prone to overload and breakdowns, which translates into a longer lifespan. The agricultural machinery market is constantly in motion. Farmers, as the main users of these devices, play a key role in shaping their future. Constant changes in agriculture, new challenges, and equipment expectations make it necessary for Rolmako to stay in constant contact with users to tailor its products to the actual market needs. The inspiration for implementing modifications and development comes from the farmers providing feedback. Rolmako is a producer of agricultural machines that stands out by offering a vast number of possible configurations for their equipment. For example, the farmer can choose various types of cultivation disc shapes, many different working elements, dozens of cultivation rollers, various additional tools like drags or comb beams, and this is just the beginning of the list of options available for tillage machines. The list is extensive due to the different conditions that we encounter in the fields of various clients in different regions of the world. The offer is constantly expanding, and each farmer's feedback is a priority for us to consider and sometimes becomes an inspiration to introduce changes or expand tillage tools. No one knows field work better than the farmer. Thanks to this, they can provide producers with valuable information on how the machines perform under various conditions, what their strengths are, and where there is room for improvement. A producer of agricultural machines who listens to their clients has an invaluable source of information about the real needs and challenges in everyday farm work. The farmer, working directly with the soil and machines, sees their strengths but also the imperfections that can be improved. Collaboration with farmers and gathering their feedback is not only about product enhancement, but also about building trust and a long-term relationship with the client. Let's consider the benefits for Rolmako of taking farmers' feedback into account. Adaptation to real needs. Understanding the specifics of the farmer's work allows creating machines that will exactly meet their expectations. Innovation. Often farmers themselves are the source of innovative ideas, which can revolutionize the operation of the machine or help introduce it to a new market. Cost reduction. Quickly responding to client feedback can bring savings by reducing the number of complaints, warranty services, or modernizing problematic solutions. Client loyalty. A farmer who sees that their feedback is taken into account feels appreciated and is more likely to remain loyal to the brand. Market growth. Listening to the client can open doors for the producer to new market segments or help adapt the offer to changing market conditions. The farmer, through their experience and practical knowledge, is the key to development and innovation in the agricultural machinery industry. A producer who can listen to their clients and respond to their needs gains not only in terms of image, but also economically by adapting their products to the actual market demands. The production of agricultural machinery is a process of continuous improvement in which farmers play a key role as the end users. Understanding their needs, taking their feedback and comments into account is essential for creating innovative and practical field solutions. The modern farmer, working in changing climatic conditions on different soils and cultivating diverse crops, needs tools that are as tailored to his needs as possible. Custom-made machines for the client are Rolmako's response to these needs, inspired by the experiences of farmers from different regions of the world. This allows us to continuously develop and achieve even better cultivation results. Rolmako does not stand still. We are dynamically moving towards a better future, realizing the ideas of sustainable agriculture. We are constantly looking for new technologies, materials and innovations that will make our machines meet the expectations of farmers and the soil. Get to know us better by visiting the address catalog.rolmako.com, see our machines for no-plow and ultra-shallow cultivation. Rolmako's passion for improving agricultural equipment comes from a deep understanding of farmers' needs worldwide. With the cultivation machines we offer, we not only want to make work easier, but also support the sustainable development of agriculture. Have you ever experienced, colloquially speaking, improving the factory? Do you encounter manufacturers willing to implement improvements based on your suggestions? Let us know in the comments if you also believe that practice is the best driving force for product development.